Resilience. Hey there, and welcome to another episode of the Rising Tide podcast with Tara Barot, where I share life experience, knowledge, and a whole bunch of other things. And you get to choose if you want to learn from it, try it out, or completely ignore it. Yep. Today's topic is resilience. Why? Because, my friend, you are resilient. Humans are resilient. Therefore, you are too. And you've come a long way. And let's go a little bit of a trip down memory lane to show you that. 3 years ago, September 2019. Do you remember what you were doing? Do you remember where you were-ish? What was going on in life in the part of the world where you were? All right. And then let's move a little bit forward. New Year comes, 2020 comes, COVID happens, governments and the whole pandemic rules coming in. And then keeps on going. Summer 2020, 2021, 2022, summer 2022, and here we are in September 2022. Why do I say that I know you're resilient? Because I'll talk from my experience. I know I've been through a lot. A lot of it has been my own doing. COVID has a few influences as well. But if I've been through a lot, I can tell you, you've been through a lot too. And everything you've been able to do within those 3 years is incredible. Now, in September 2019, could you have imagined yourself where you are here today, right now, and everything going on in your life? Me? No way. Oh my gosh. There was so much going on, but I could have never predicted where I am today or the journey that took me to where I am today. And I can guarantee it's the same for you. It wasn't easy. There was a lot of ups and downs. But you made it. You're still here. You're still going. And you're doing an amazing job at it. Even if you're telling yourself that you could be doing better. You can listen to the Perfectionist podcast. Because, but telling you right here, right now, what you're doing is enough, is incredible. And I am curious to see what you're capable of doing next. Because I know you've got it in you. And it's there. I'm curious about what I'm going to be doing next too. Also because I don't know a lot of it. But yeah. So to wrap it up. You are a human being. Human beings are resilient. Therefore, you are resilient. The last 3 years have shown us anything is that you have been resilient. Therefore, you are and continue to will be resilient. And that is incredible. So congratulations on the amazing journey you have lived. And may you have an amazing continuation as well. Thanks for listening to another episode of the podcast. I appreciate your support. If you've learned anything from or taken away anything from this episode, please like, share, follow on whichever platform you're listening to, Spotify, iTunes. It helps me to reach more people so that it can help more. And if you are within a life transition or would like to go on a life transition, I have a little something for you. It's a free workshop PDF available for you to download at tarabarot.com/change. That's tarabarot.com/change. Thank you for listening. Until next time, have a wonderful time. Bye.